The contribution of extensible markup language towards the field of science. Part 2. Synchronized multimedia integration language. The synchronized multimedia integration language enables web documents authors to coordinate the presentation of a wide range of multimedia elements. A SMIL document specifies the source of multimedia elements and how these elements are presented. In HTML, multimedia elements are autonomous entities that cannot interact without implicated scripts. In SMIL, multimedia elements can work together. This enables document authors to specify when and how these multimedia elements appear in the document. For example, SMIL may be used to produce TV-style content in which static and dynamic text, audio and video occur simultaneously and sequentially. One way to render SMIL documents is with Real Player, a multimedia player from Real Network. Scalable vector graphics. The scalable vector graphics markup language is a way to describe vector graphics data for use over the web. SVG provides considerable advantages over current methods for distributing graphics on the web. The current formats use bitmaps which describe each pixel in the image and may take quite a bit of time to download. Bitmap resolution is fixed, so bitmap images cannot be scaled without a loss in image quality, and printed bitmap images often contain low resolution chat lines. Conversely, vector graphics describe graphical information in terms of lines, curves. Not only do images rendered in vector graphics require less bandwidth, but these images also can be easily scaled and printed without producing chat lines. In addition, because SVG is an application of XML, SVG documents can be scripted, searched, and dynamically created. Bean markup language. Java beans are software components that can be combined to create Java applications and applets. The Bean markup language is an XML-based markup language for describing Java beans. BML defines how various beans are interconnected.
The Extensible 3D language, X3D. This enables to create virtual worlds to provide a way to share them through the internet. These three-dimensional objects can be grouped together in some common way. This is also a combined result of the combined efforts of many organizations and institutions. X3D XML base enables widely used and extensibility of the VRML standard. This is also the result of a more higher generation of the VRML solution. Therefore, it is clear that X3D is the next generation of VRML. Precision Graphics Markup Language, known as PGML. This is very important if you work with computer graphics and multimedia field. This is the Adobe's expansion of PostScript and PDF format. PGML translates PostScript commands into XML elements. This is another important language when working with computer graphics and multimedia, also with pixels. The vector markup language, known as VML, takes the basics of XML elements in structured graphics and converts them inside XML elements and documents. XML query language. Just as SQL, the structured query language searches the database for relevant data, XML query uses the power of XSL patterns to search XML documents. XML query syntax resembles path specification in a Unix environment. Directory Services Markup Language. DSML is the bridge between the direct services and also the XML documents. Directory services provide a method for managing relational resources and metadata. Aside from the usual storage of records, organization assets, directory services can be used with XML to dynamically match data across networks. This is also very important in web-based applications such as those using e-business, networking purposes, and supply chain management purposes. DSML is very independent according to the platform, and it requires only the data being structured. so that they can be implemented with DSML. RDF is a resource definition framework. RDF is an XML-based language for describing information contained in a resource. RDF's metadata can be used by search engines or intelligent software agents to list or catalog information on the web. The metadata here can be named as information about information. This also can be used in evaluating websites for rating purposes and for creating digital signatures, which is a very important security purpose. Virtual hyperglossary. VHG is a platform-independent specification for terminology. This provides a method of knowledge management to the structured data. This also enables the documents to be linked into a glossary, which has an extensive network of internal hyperlinks. This has a hierarchical structure that can be easily searched and indexed. VHG specifies a framework of hyperlinked glossaries, dictionaries, and also thesauruses that provide documents with a terminological environment. XML topic maps, XTM. This is a new model for navigating and linking resources. Topic maps, according to ISO, are new models for this purpose. They can be thought of as melding indexes, glossaries, and thesaurus and concept maps. Much as XML separates content from presentations, topic maps separate contents from links. Topic maps, like XML, can link according to their layers, and this technology enables that format and supports it very much. Channel definition format. This is an XML technology that can be implemented by the push technology that automatically sends information to the users. Push. So in a website there can be many users using the website for different purposes. Additionally, this technology enables the several related websites to use channels to refer to their users between sites. XML digital signatures. This is a security technology used in XML. This can be applied to any type of data, maybe inside or outside the XML documents. The users can extend this signature type with their own algorithm and security models. The signed data can also be enveloped or detached from the signature. The Extensible Rights Markup Language, known as SRML, is a proprietary application of XML. This enables providers of electronic content to specify their rights, fees, and conditions in such a manner that these can be displayed to people but implemented in computers invisibly. This is a portable solution. XML metadata interchange. This is a stream-based model interchange format which enables the streaming of objects data from remote databases as well as from traditional file storages. In a world of applications, this is difficult for developers to communicate and collaborate with each other. This drawback can be overcome with this XML metadata interchange technology. This is also possible to automatically generate DTDs for any metadata information model. That's the end of the entire presentation. Thank you very much.